Do you want to get the iOS 26 lock screen on your Android phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to set up an iOS-style lock screen on your Android step by step. First, open the Play Store and install the app quickly, because your lock screen and even your home screen are about to change. But keep this in mind, the lock screen won't work until you finish setting up the app properly, so make sure you follow each step carefully. After installing, open the app. In app, pick any language you like. I'll choose English. Then tap the tick icon and keep tapping next. Tap Start. Then tap Get Started. After that, tap Got it and then Done. Now give all the required permissions. Once you do that, you'll see a screen like this. From here, choose any wallpaper you like. And tap Download for free. Next, you can customize it the way you want, change the time color, style, and more. You can also add filters if you like. When you're happy with it, tap Add. Then tap Customize Home Screen. You can also change your home screen here, like adding blur and other effects. Once everything looks good, tap Done. Now you'll need to complete 3 steps. Don't worry, you're on a Beneficial Things channel. I'll guide you through all of them. Tap Step 1. Accept it. Then go to Installed Apps and select YoLock. Turn it on and allow it. Then go back. Now tap Step 2. Scroll down and enable YoLock again. Go back once more and tap Step 3. Enable YoLock here as well and allow it. After that, go back and tap Set as Current. That's it, your iOS-style lock screen is ready. If you run into any issues, just drop a comment. Cheers for watching.